welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And I have two special guests today. This is Ronnie.
And this is Pop.
This is Pops. We are going to make something really delicious.
Yes.
What did we say we were going to call these? Meatball melts, right?
Meatball Melt Tacos?
Meatball Melt Tacos. Okay,
You
so
can call them whatever you want as long as they're good.
call them whatever you want. But that's what we come up with. Okay, so we're going to start off with making a little bit of a meatball. And I went ahead and chopped up some onion and some fresh parsley. And then right here we have some Italian sausage. Now this is made at Price Chopper. You can find it, I think it's in the freezer section and in some grocery stores, but they have it fresh at Price Chopper. We have some ground sirloin. So what we're going to do is half of this and half of that. So it'll be a pound. But the first thing we're going to do is,
You can tell it's good. It's got those little things in it, those little seeds.
yeah, what are those?
Sausage seeds. I don't know, but that's the seasoning that makes it.
Sausage seeds. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our mixture here, and we're going to put in, we're going to start off with some eggs, okay? So I'm going to do, you want to do it? You think you can do it? Okay. Can you crack, let me get a paper towel.
Why don't you get shells in there? We don't want this extra crunchy.
Okay, do you think you can do it? Got it?
A little harder.
Oh, good job. About got it. There you go.
There you go. When all else fails, just crush it.
Oh, okay. Good job.
Is this your Pamper Chef egg extractor? Eggshell extractor?
Did you get the eggshell
Yeah,
out?
that worked.
There you go. There you go. If you need an egg extractor, just use a ladle.
Yeah, egg shell.
All right, so we've got our eggs in, and now what we're going to do is put our onion. Go ahead and put the onion and the parsley in. Just put the whole thing in. Just take this and put the whole thing in. There you go. And we might do half of that, babe, because that might be a lot. There we go.
That's good.
Okay, got our onion and our parsley. Now we're going to put a little bit of grated Parmesan in there. So we're probably going to do about, that looks like about a cup. So just go ahead and dump this in. Just go ahead and dump it in. There you go.
You're a better helper than me. I feel like my job's in jeopardy.
All right, now I'm going to give you this big fork and you just mix that up really good. I'm going to do a splash of milk, probably about a quarter cup, more than a splash, I guess. All right, so get that mixed up really, really good for us, okay? Now, if you want to go ahead and do,
Two-handed it, yeah.
let me get this out of the way. All
You're
right.
just like a Pamper Chef mixer.
Just put that onion in there. All right, babe, if you want to go ahead and put half of your meat and I'll put half of mine,
Throw that up there.
I'm going to use my hands. Okay, I'm going to do about a teaspoon of pepper.
I want to do it.
Let's do the salt. Okay, about a teaspoon of salt. A little bit more.
Your handful is about a half teaspoon.
A little bit. Just a little. There you go. Oh, yep, right there. Yep, there you go. All right, now what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put some gloves on, and I'm going to make some meatballs up. And what I'm going to add to it now
Italian seasoning?
is Italian breadcrumbs. I'm going to put some of those in there. Let me go ahead and give this a good mix.
Yeah. Give me a sniff test. Smell that.
Does that smell good?
Progresso. They make breadcrumbs and car insurance.
So this is going to be pretty wet. So what you're going to do is go ahead and put your breadcrumbs in, and then we're going to,
Want all of them?
yeah, I think so. That looks,
Yeah.
go ahead and put
Go
the
ahead, pour
breadcrumbs
them all in
in.
there.
Roll it.
Yeah, let's go for it. Go for it. Let's see how much we got here. Yep, about a cup.
All right.
All right, so we're going to do our breadcrumbs, and that'll soak up all of our egg and milk.
Take this. Right in the trash can.
All right, now if
Don't worry
you,
about it. I made it.
babe, if you'll find me a plate
Okay.
to put these on, that would be great.
Did I turn this dude on?
Yeah. So I've never used this. This is a Pampered Chef Ultimate something griddle. The deluxe electric griddle. I've never used it before. We're gonna see how this works. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make these and gonna make them like about the size of a golf ball. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some little, maybe a little bit bigger. It depends on how big your tortillas are. So let's do, I'm gonna make these about the size, not quite a baseball size and not a golf ball, but
tennis. I don't know about those ball sports. Tennis ball.
maybe about like that. About like that.
I like cat
What
fry.
does that look like?
A ball.
A ball. Okay. What
Right.
kind of ball do you think that looks like?
A
Is that
basket.
a basketball?
Okay. What kind of sports are you
I
playing? in
think
your
you
school?
might. I think you might need to stick with gymnastics. All
I'm
right.
glad she said it to you, not me.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and make these up, and then we're going to get our griddle good and hot, and then we will smash these out, and they're going to be delicious. So this is my griddle that I got from Pampered Chef, and it's called the Ultimate or the Deluxe Electric Griddle. And look, it comes with these plates like this, the flat ones, or you can also interchange these that have a little bit of a griddle on, more of a griddle on them. So you just pop those in and out. It's really pretty neat. I've never used it before. This is the first time, but it's pretty fancy. I am not a Pampered Chef dealer. Don't want to be. If you want one of these, find one. I have several friends who are Pampered Chef dealers. Find one of them. I just want to buy the Pampered Chef stuff. I don't want any part of selling it. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put a little olive oil on here. Just drizzle that on there. Now we're going to put our bowl on there. And then you're just going to put that right there in the middle. A little too much. There we go. Let's make it go just a little. Whoa, okay, good deal. All right, now we're going to close it up. And we're going to let these cook for a little bit.
I like lox over here.
I'm not sure.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're going to let it cook. We'll see what happens. It might be a little high. Well, how high do we have that? Ooh,
450.
how can we set it? Temperature, let's turn that down to about 350.
Yeah. Turn it down to don't get the fireman to show up.
We're turning that down to 350 because it's smoking.
You know it's going to be delicious when it smokes like that.
Oh, that looks great. Look at that. Perfect.
Wow.
I think that's perfect. Let me get us a plate. So this is what I got for our toppings. I've got some banana peppers, some Parmesan cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a little bit of marinara sauce.
Should have go get her makeup touched up.
You know, that for me.
You want that?
Thank you.
Perfect.
All right, I'm going to pour this in here. Little marinara sauce. Let me find a spoon. And
That
we'll
looks
show you how
delish.
we get these all fixed up. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fold it just like a taco. And I'm going to put a little, well, I'll put some sauce on there first. A little sauce. A little bit of mozzarella. A little bit of Parmesan. Now I'm going to put some banana peppers on here. I think that'll be good. Oh, and let's find our parsley. That'll make it pretty. Little touch of
You
parsley
like banana peppers?
on top. And if you want, you can use your marinara sauce just as a dipping sauce. But let me show you what that looks like. Isn't that neat? You want to take a bite, babe? Try it.
I'm going to make one with
Let me get you a napkin. Here you go.
Want a bite?
This was so fast and so easy. So let me take a little taste of it.
Mmm. That was good.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
That's good. That is really, really good. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
That's awesome.
Yep, that is really good. So what did we say we were gonna name these, Ron? Come here. What are we naming these?
I don't know.
What did we say?
Yeah, I don't remember.
I can't remember.
That is good though.
Mmm.
It's like
Mozzarella taco. I mean, just a few minutes. Just a few minutes in the.
wow.
So on your put that over there. On your skillet, it's probably going to be what, 3 or 4 minutes on each side. So there we go.
Don't make these.
Go make these. They are so good. They're so easy. It'll be fun for the family, and just put all the toppings aside and everybody can just make their own little Italian taco. I think that's going to be fun, don't you?
good.
All right. And then what? Tell them to come and see us out. Local flavor.
Come and see us at Won't the Favorite.
Yes. And
Very
we
good.
will see you next time. Come and see us. We would love to have you guys. Thank you, babe, for cooking with us.
Ask for these when you come in.
Do not ask for these when you come in. They are
No,
not on the
they're
menu.
not on the menu.
All right. So thank you, guys. Come back and see us.